Mazda set out to challenge the convention that a compact car can't possess the refinement of a larger, more luxurious vehicle. Designers started by identifying the ways in which noise, vibration, and harshness find their way into a vehicle. Wherever possible, they eliminated these sound pathways. An example of this can be seen in the design of the stereo. Traditionally, the larger speakers of the sound system are integrated into the lower portion of the door panels. Placing them there requires cutting a hole through the inner sheet metal, creating a significant sound pathway. So Mazda removed the larger speakers from the door, gave them their own enclosure, and integrated them into the lower part of the dash assembly. This dramatically reduced the amount of noise that enters the cabin, and to deal with noises that are still able to find their way in, engineers tuned the acoustic properties of the floor mats and headliner so that sound is more effectively absorbed. The result of these efforts is a compact car that delivers remarkable levels of refinement.